Good morning. Ang inyong pasanyero po, Chef Renato Biray. Sunday breakfast ang ating i-prepare ngayon. Isipan kong mag-prepare na onion and tomato egg omelet roll. Onion and tomato omelet roll. Yan, omelet roll. Ngayon ang mga sangkap natin, ito po yung tomato, finely chopped. Ito po yung onion, finely chopped din. At magkaano po tayo ng onions ring. Simple, I have with me 3 pieces of eggs and salt and pepper. Combine na po yun. Bali, naglagay na po ako ng konti kanina. Bali, ayan, I will just season it with salt and pepper and a little of cayenne para to enhance the taste. But before that, before I proceed, please continue watching this video until the end. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now and share and click the notification bell at the right side, at the bottom right side of my video, so that you will be notified every time I prepare a new video. So let's proceed now. So I have now to open the gas. It must be in low fire. Only in low fire. It must not be too high. So we will hit the frying pan first. I will now put the oil. Only little oil. Spread the oil throughout the frying pan bottom. Then transfer the bigger bowl for easy mixing. So I will just put here, I will mix all the ingredients. Here are the onions free. I'll put now almost half of the mixture to the frying pan, not all. Please watch attentively how I prepare this one, so that you can prepare it for yourself. So that's it. gagawin po natin, what we're going to do is to roll half of this egg mixture. Then we will apply again another or small amount of oil doon sa vacant space ng frying pan. See, it must be prepared like that. Then we will roll it again until the mixture is finished. See? After that, I will put again the remaining mixture, egg mixture, to the vacant space. And I will do the same. When it is already done, I will roll it again until done. So that's it. We have now the egg roll, tomato and onion egg roll omelette. So we are going to take this out from the frying pan and we will slice it. So we are going to slice it now. That's it. Now to transfer this one to so this is now our omelette that we prepared a while ago. This is the onion, tomato, egg omelette roll. This is our breakfast today. I prepare with some slices of bread, wet bread, and sweet potato, yung kamote sa Tagalog sa ating mga Pilipino. Sana po mga kasambahay, mga kaibigan, ka-YouTubers, ay you get some ideas again from your chef. Kung pinanood nyo po ito ng buong buo, nung ginawa ko, kaya na po nyong gawin to. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Thank you very much for your time allotted in watching my video. And I hope to see you next time. Bye bye for now. God bless us all.